Ohayo gozaimasu! Tama ba yung pagkasabi ko? Try ko lang kasi gagawa tayo ng Japanese fried chicken or mas kilalang karaage.
Simpol, luto na, ha.
Sisimulan na natin yung karaage. Meron akong chicken dito, chicken pieces, fillet. Ang ideal nito, gumamit tayo ng chicken thigh fillet or chicken leg quarter fillet. Pero ako, ang gamit ko ngayon ay chicken breast fillet kasi ayaw ko yung masyadong greasy yung chicken. Gusto ko yung meatiness niya. But we have to fry it just perfectly para it remains juicy. So, meron ako dito around 350 grams. So, I just marinate it with Japanese soy sauce. If you don't have Japanese soy sauce, you use regular soy sauce, Filipino soy sauce. And instead of sake, I use a little bit of vinegar. So ito siya is just like half a teaspoon of vinegar. And 1 teaspoon of grated ginger. And 1 teaspoon of minced garlic. It's so simple. Yun lang yung ingredients natin. So we let it rest for around 5 minutes para ma-absorb fully yung ating marinade. And after marinating our chicken, while waiting for our oil to heat up, we add half a cup of cornstarch, or better, if you have potato starch, you use potato starch. Yan. And as soon as our chicken pieces are coated in our cornstarch, we fry. Our oil is hot enough, we just drop the chicken pieces into the hot oil. And yung gagawin ko naman sa natitira kung I half the chicken, yung gagawin ko naman para may konting twist yung ating karaage, pagsisprinkle lang ako ng konting Nori. No? So, Nori flavored na karaage. And look at that, our chicken is golden. And important also, you eat it right away. Huwag mong iwan lang sa lamesa ng matagal before eating. When you mix your cornstarch and it seems too dry, you can add a little water by the tablespoon lang. So, pa isa-isang tablespoon hanggang medyo makuha mo yung consistency na nagko-coat yung ating chicken. And our chicken is already cooked. Yan. So golden, so yummy. And because it's starch ang gamit natin, it's crisp. Mas crispy siya compared to gagamit tayo ng flour. Okay? So yan. So it's very golden because of the soy sauce. Yung Nori natin, may Nori natin na version. Pa-fry na rin natin. If you fry by batches, bago mo ilagay yung second batch, dapat uminit na ulit yung oil mo, no? So you have to let the oil, the heat, recover. Or else, malamig siya and it's going to soak in the oil. Magiging oily yung luto nyo. You start to plate our karaage. Sobrang easy, di ba? Parang no sweat. Lalo na ngayon, nakakabili naman kayo ng fillet chicken in your favorite shops, like in Fresh Option. Pwede nyo na ipa-fillet yung chicken. Hindi na kayo mahirapan. So when you get home, diretso nyo na marinate and fry. And may quick and easy meal ka, hindi mo na pahirapan. What we do now is, ito yung nauna nating karaage. Arrange na natin sa ating plate. So I just have some Japanese mayo. Kung walang Japanese mayo, you can use regular mayo. Yan. And our Nori version is done as well. So, look at that. That's a very satisfying dish with just a bit of rice, or gagawa ka ng konting Japanese coleslaw on the side. Perfect na siya. It's a perfect meal for your family. Try this at home. Chicken Karaage, Simpol! Nagustuhan niyo ba ang video na to? Please share para lalong dumaming ating mga kasimpol. And don't forget to subscribe to our Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram accounts.